This is CNN Breaking News.
This is an emergency broadcast from Taurus International Broadcasting and the SCP Foundation. Please pay attention.
SCP Foundation. Department of K-Class Readiness. A CK-Class reality restructuring event is currently occurring, and you may experience significant negative effects. This may include major changes to history, or the laws of physics either in your area, or across the globe. It is essential you follow orders for your survival.
The SCP Foundation would like to inform the public of a CK-Class reality restructuring event. It means reality is critically changing and it may cause significant negative effects. You must make your way to the nearest area with reality anchor protection. This will protect you from reality-altering effects. The SCP Foundation is currently working with your local government to help you evacuate. This public alert was brought to you by the SCP Foundation and Taurus International Broadcasting. Please report to the Foundation if you notice any changes in reality.